Hello everyone, this is going to be a pretty short and sweet video about a robotics path generating tool that I've been developing. So basically, this is the code, and this takes some user input. So this is the x and y coordinates. Um, these are all the waypoints on the path, and they're all stored in a vector. And this is all the points given on Desmos. So I just put some random points here, and as you can see, um, so this is gonna be the path. So it's gonna go from the blue to the green to the purple to the black and to the red. So it's sort of like this shape. And now what the software does, right, is that it injects more points into the path. So right now it's only, so for example, along this path, there are only 2 points, and the software is going to inject more points given by the spacing right here. And that's going to create some evenly spaced out points for future path generation, because when a robot follows a path, it looks for the closest velocity that's correlated to the point. If the points are too far away, the robot's velocity will be inaccurate, and basically more points, like the more points, the better for robots that are following a path. So this is the visualization of what the software does. It basically fills in the gaps between all of those waypoints, and they're all equally spaced apart. Some are less spaced apart because the distance doesn't allow them to be, but they're as spaced apart as you can get. And now the next step is pretty interesting. So right here, I have a path smoother. So what this does is that it smoothes out the corners, so the robot are not making very sharp turns. So it's going to be following a pretty curvy path, so it's going to be easier for a robot to follow, and it's going to be just better for autonomous movements. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, all the corners are pretty smoothed out, and yeah, that's what the software does. And if you have any questions or comments about the code, or you would like to see an explanation of the code in a video for the future, please leave a comment below. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.